In the butt. In your butt. I don't even know what I'm supposed to say. Bang bang. Jay Birds. Wait for it. Let me get that.
I'm going on some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm looking for a come up.
This is fucking awesome.
Alright, so when I come in, got the shoes on my feet, man, you know where I've been. Got the Velcro, man, it's a sin. I'm looking so fresh, man, I never fucking in. Got some swag, look at me now. Got your bitches looking me up and down. They wanna come around when they see I'm in town. So get them all going, man, I'm taking them around. So when I take them to Goodwill, they buy everything, ooh, that they want. They get the fucking purses, they get them real cheap, man. You know they cursing all the bullshit you trying to play with. Trying to say you got money, man, I play with it. I'ma take it, I'ma take it. Take them to the crib and they gon' waste it. Then I'm gonna go when I find me a teacher. Gonna buy it for 99 cents, ooh, that's a cheap deal. Now I'm sitting here looking so fresh. All these people know I'm the best. Got my Velcro across the chest. Got my pencil protector, yeah, on my chest. So when I get the fake ass shit and I put it on, bitch, like damn.
I'm going on some tags, only got $20 in my pocket.
What's up?
I'm looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
I pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
Alright, whoa. Been so broke, I had to count out 99 cents so I could go, to the gas station. Find me a drink, man, I've been patient. I'm steady waiting, trying to get a drink. Everybody looking at me up in the sink, trying to get a fucking drink of the water. Look at this bitch trying to get me dirty water. What's up? Get a little call out. What's up? Tell these bitches now, what's up, my dick? Alright, let's go. Oh shit! She's down to go downtown, so I throw them in my club, then I roll all around like, girl, do you know where I bought it? Yeah, Goodwill, getting it cheap. Everybody knows they wanna be me, like, yeah, got that furry ass coat. Nah, I'm kidding, it's leather over there, bro. That's right, I got it for free. If you ever wanna be just like me, then you go to the thrift shop. Throw it on, get that shit for $1, come on! Oh, it's breaking down now. It's breaking down now. So,
Poppin' tags!
woo! I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm just kidding. It's not $20. It's more like $12, but
I look incredible. I'm in this big ass coat from that thrift shop down the road. I wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. I'm in this big ass coat from that thrift shop down the road.
so when I come in, got the 20 cents on and $1 shoes on. Now I'm sitting here, come on, going strong, cause I look so fresh. Got these brand new shirts on my chest. 99 fucking cents. I don't got money, man, it's spit. I gotta pop my tags. Everybody sitting there like, where'd you get that? Like Goodwill and a dollar store. Yeah, that's right. I don't even give a fuck. Pay your girl for $1. She's a whore. Bang bang! J Bangs! Bang bang! Bang bang! Blah!